Hey, Rainbow here, and welcome to my channel. I am standing here with the 2023 Ducati Multistrada V4 Pikes Peak. This one is mine. I have about 3,600 miles on it now, and I did talk a little bit about taking this screen off and putting on the touring screen that's also tinted, although it's not as dark as this. And I showed you folks how to put this on. There is a video for that. You can search in my channel there. You know, really simple, really easy. But it really wasn't until today that it dawned on me exactly why, if you have this Pikes Peak version with the smaller stock windscreen, why you need the touring screen. Well, this is why. This morning, it was about 5 degrees Celsius out, which is about, I don't know, 40, 41 degrees Fahrenheit. And for Florida and South Florida, this is like the coldest Christmas in like 30 years. And although I took the V4S to other locations in the country, that I got down to like 34 degrees, almost 0 degrees Celsius. I had the regular windscreen on it and I was well prepared. So this morning I was well dressed, have everything on to keep me warm, the gloves, heated grips, all that stuff was great. The problem was that the amount of wind that I get. Now, let me back up a little bit. This windscreen is great for going to the track and it looks really cool, especially when it's down. I mean, the up and down doesn't really change the look a whole lot, but it's a pretty good screen and it does its job on the track. It does its job really well on the track because number one, you're cutting down on wind resistance. Number two, you're going to be tucked in on the long straights where you're going very fast. So that's why this screen was designed. It wasn't designed to, to have this big screen. Now, this morning, I realized just how much additional wind I had in addition to the regular screen because it was cold. In the past, I'm like, oh, my helmet's loud. I know that it's, this screen doesn't do as well. But when I think back to when I was riding in the colder weather with the regular screen from the V4S, I thought that it was working well, and it did compared to this. So when I have this one on, normally it's like, I just realize it's a little bit louder, but you don't realize how much more wind you're getting until you put on another screen. So as you guys know, this is the screen that I bought, and this is the screen that I put on for long trips because nobody wants to get beat up with the wind. And in the summertime when it's hot and or it's a windy day out, you really don't notice the difference. But today, you absolutely positively notice a difference. So you can see the difference in the screen size. I have a video about this. I could put a link up there somewhere, whichever way I'm pointing for this. But I will tell you, if you have the Ducati V4 Pikes Peak that comes with this screen right here from Ducati, and you plan on longer trips or you plan on riding in colder weather, let's say 0 degrees Celsius, 5 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees, 30 degrees Fahrenheit, you're absolutely going to want to have this screen. Again, it does come tinted. The other one that comes stock with the V4S isn't tinted at all. This is the touring screen, and the difference between the touring screen and which is this one, and the stock on the V4S, for example, is that basically this one's just a little bit taller. That's it. It's just a little bit taller. That's the only difference. But the difference between this and this, it's the width and the height, and that makes a really big difference. So highly, highly, highly recommend. I could tell you we're gonna have 2 more really cold days. This is coming off, this is going on to make things a little more comfortable for me and a little quieter. So long trips, cold weather, you absolutely want the touring screen. Other than that, in the summertime and going to the track, this is perfectly fine. All right? That's it. This is Rainbow. Wanted to make this a quick, simple one. I appreciate everyone being here. Please like, please subscribe. If you're still here, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye-bye.